Hello friends, in this lecture I will explain context free grammars, and these are also called as type 2 grammars. In the earlier videos I explained about regular grammars as well as right linear grammar and left linear grammar. In this session I will explain about context free grammars, which are also called as type 2 grammars. Okay, so this is nothing but CFG is nothing but context free grammars. Okay, any grammar, whatever grammar you are considered, that grammar you can define it as variables, terminals, productions and start symbols. Okay, so V is equal to finite set of variables, and T is equal to finite set of terminals, and P is a production rule which is defined as alpha tends to beta, where alpha belongs to variable set and beta belongs to variable union terminal whole star. I will explain what it is. And S is a start symbol. Okay, so for any grammar, whatever grammar you are consider it is, whether it may be a context sensitive, regular or some unrestricted grammars, whatever it may be, every grammar can be defined it as variable, terminal, production, start symbol. Only the difference in the production rule of that particular grammar. Okay, so in this grammar the production rule is in the form of alpha tends to beta, where alpha belongs to the variable set and beta belongs to variable union terminal whole star. So that means, for example, in your variable set you have S, A, B. These are the variables, and variables must be defined using capital letters, and the terminal set represented using small cases, that is AB. Okay, so now the alpha production, and that means the alpha is in the form of variables, that is nothing but you can be consider only the variable. So S tends to, okay, whole star represents may or may not, and that means each production may or may not contain an epsilon, each production. Okay, that's one it. Next, variable, only variable undachu, and that is only A, or variable with a combination of terminal. So అవి many number of times repeat అవుతూ ఉండొచ్చు, ఇలా something like. Okay, so this type of grammar we can call it as context free grammars. Okay, now let us see what is the difference between context free grammars as well as regular grammars. So now let us see the difference between regular grammar and context free grammar. Okay, so each grammar, the production is in the form of alpha tends to beta. Here alpha belongs to variable but beta belongs to VT or TV according to right linear or left linear. This is a right linear grammar, this is left linear grammar. Okay, so variable ఉన్న దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని you can say right linear grammar as well as left linear grammar. But here alpha belongs to variable but beta belongs to variable union terminal whole star. Here the grammar must be the production rule must be in the form of S tends to AA according to left linear grammars. I am saying some BB, and A tends to A or some epsilon, like this. Okay, but in context free grammar the grammar something like this. Okay, so in context free grammar the production rule contains only terminal or combination of terminal variable or repetition of terminal with a variable, and the epsilon may be either in a starting production or in the another production. ఎన్ని ప్రొడక్షన్స్ అయితే ఉంటే అన్ని ప్రొడక్షన్స్లో కూడా మేబీ ఎప్సిలాన్ ఉండొచ్చు. బట్ హియర్ ఇన్ రెగ్యులర్ గ్రామర్స్ the final state may have only epsilon production. Okay, and every regular grammar is a subset of context free grammar, but the converse is not true. That means the regular grammar must be a context free grammar. ఓకే, సో ఎందుకంటే ఇక్కడ మీరు అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే ఇదే గ్రామర్ ఏదైతే ఉంటుందో యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్గా దట్ యూ కెన్ బీ call it as a context free grammar sometimes, but the reverse, that means the context free grammar never is a regular grammar. So this is the difference between regular grammars and context free grammars. Regular grammars can be called it as according to Chomsky hierarchy type 3 grammars, and context free grammars are call it as type 2 grammars. The language accepted by a machine is finite automata. Here the language accepted by a machine is pushed on automata. These are the major differences between regular grammars as well as context free grammars. Thank you.